Welcome back to the Silver River Chairs channel. We're talking about adjustments today, and this is very important. It's the difference between a seat that's adequate, the seat will be perfectly sittable, and a seat that looks very uniform. As you go through, the first thing to think about is you want to have maximum material on your rails. So you're compressing the material here as much as you can, with the thought at this point that you want to keep these lines as parallel as possible. You don't want to compress this so that you're way spread out on the rail. Okay, you're going to do the same on the front. Now work a corner at a time, just keeping this. And the idea is you're trying to keep this corner at 90 degrees. If all your corners are at 90 degrees, then when you meet in the middle, you won't have any gaps in the middle. It'll come together very nicely. In order to keep the 90 degrees and the uniformity, it's also necessary sometimes to adjust here in the corner itself. It's best to adjust in the corner. If you get the screwdriver actually down in here and make your adjustments, then they'll stay put. If you're adjusting way out here someplace, then it's not going to do anything. It just won't stay put. So I'm adjusting these guys, making them uniform. So I'm taking out any extra space in there, and also all the time trying to keep this at 90 degrees. I've adjusted on the top, and I would do 1, 2, 3, all 4 corners, and then turning the chair upside down. This Windsor, make sure that these guys are sturdy before you do this. Upside down, and making those same adjustments on the bottom. The bottom adjustments, there's usually a little bit more space in the bottom, and that's all right. Not as many people see the bottom, although the people that do see it will judge you because of the chair caners. Okay, the adjusting, I like to do that every 3 rounds. 3 strands. If you leave it too long, you can have a lot of extra slack built up in the pattern, and then you might have to unravel and tighten things up. That's all for now.